Hello, how you doing? My name is Ron. I'm with Kingdom Christmas Lights, and I have Laura with me. Hello, Laura.
Hello.
Today is October 29th. It's Monday, and we're excited that it is the final 3 days of October, and next month is November, or we'd like to call it
Yes, Vember.
Yes Vember. That's right. So, anyway, Kingdom Christmas Lights, we're a local Christmas light installation contractor here in the Houston, Texas area, and we specialize in custom holiday decorations for residential and commercial businesses. Um, we have a special, right, Laura?
Yes.
That's pre-season because in the Christmas season, we wish that we can install 200 houses the day after Thanksgiving, but it's just not practical. So the if you get your lights installed, say the first week of November versus the week right after Thanksgiving, you can imagine that one would be cheaper than the other,
Yeah.
and one would be prime time and one would be considered preseason. So Kingdom Christmas Lights is offering a preseason special for those who you may not want to turn them on until a certain time or Thanksgiving or something, but if you get them installed earlier, you can take advantage of preseason pricing. In our preseason pricing, we have 3 more days until November 1st, when the clock strikes, midnight,
Yeah.
like the pumpkin
Yeah.
Halloween. When the clock strikes midnight, that's when our preseason pricing is over. But there's 3 more days left of the preseason pricing. And Laura, tell them what they get for the incandescent.
Well, we're doing the incandescent for 325 a foot,
hmm It's normally
425 a foot.
right, and so the price that we normally give incandescent for, we're offering a free LED upgrade. You can actually get LED for the incandescent price, which is $4.25 a foot, and that's good for the next 3 days.
Mhm.
And if you're looking for information of how to schedule or book with us or get a free estimate over the phone, you simply dial 346 291
4492.
4492. That's right. Or you can go to kingdomchristmaslights.com and see some pictures of our work and do some research on our company. We've been doing this business for 7 years, 7 years of experience in here. Laura is working in the office. You're probably getting emails and things from her, and she's very knowledgeable. Am I right?
Yes, sir, I am.
This is actually her first Christmas light season with Kingdom Christmas Lights, but she has been through the training and she's well versed in all things Christmas. So tell us a little bit about a quick holiday story that you may have and why Christmas is so special.
Christmas is actually my absolute favorite holiday. I love everything about Christmas. I love baking. I love decorating. I love keeping my ceramic Christmas tree up all year long. But my most favorite thing about Christmas is this reminder of that Jesus came on earth. It's my favorite part.
So we're symbolically celebrating his birthday.
Absolutely.
Okay. And the Christmas lights are, is some kind of correlation with the Christmas story?
Absolutely. It's showing the light. We are supposed to be the light of the world. And our motto, our slogan is we're lighting up his kingdom.
His kingdom with Kingdom Christmas lights. The word kingdom, is not by happenstance or anything like that. Kingdom Christmas Lights was seeded by a local ministry, Why Kingdom Ministries. You can see the podcast and the YouTube page where they're telling the Bible stories and things like that. But Kingdom Christmas Lights, it was seeded by this ministry to advance God's kingdom on this earth. So through the efforts and through the support from our customers and clients, we're actually going to take the proceeds and advance God's kingdom through it. So that's what this is set up to be. It's not a nonprofit this year, but we imagine it will be in years to come. So we're really excited about that. We thank you for your business, for those who have already done business with us this year or
Mhm.
this season and previous seasons, and also those who will be calling us in the next 3 days and on throughout the season. So we thank you. We hope God blesses you. We want you to call us and do business with us. If you have a friend, please share this, whatever format that you're seeing it on YouTube, Vimeo, Facebook, or a podcast. So once again, it's Kingdom Christmas Lights. The phone number is 346 291 4492, or you can see us online at kingdomchristmaslights.com.